Check out this view. Little bridge on 4th Street. That's 4th Street in Ocean Park. I always tell myself when I'm riding down the street, oh man, I gotta stop right there for the picture. But man, it is a really nice view right here. I'm telling you, riding the Super 73 has been a lot of fun. You go through these little neighborhoods all fast and just see really cool things. Oh, that's a... It rained today, so the sky is very clear. Very cool. Our restaurants and stuff are opening more right now, so that's cool. Seeing more people out and about eating. I was walking the dogs and I actually walked right by the Santa Monica High School, and their lacrosse team was out there playing and practicing. Well, not playing, they were just practicing. And that was cool, just seeing normal freaking activity going on, you know? It's almost a year since the pandemic. Changed a lot of stuff, but very nice to see something's coming back to normality. This little area has been taken over by us. Usually there's no one here. There's only one dude here, but they opened up the park to the lacrosse teams. Pretty cool. Field's been empty forever. It's super nice though. On the other side, you can't see it from here, but on the other side is the memorial they left. Because I guess to build the Civic Auditorium, they had to take down a bunch of houses here, little shotgun houses, and that thing. I don't know if I can get any. Yeah, in red over there. That is it's kind of like a structure or the frame of a shotgun house. Yeah, the frame, or what's left over of a frame, is supposed to look like. And when you walk around, let me see. When we walk around to all around the perimeter, they have these little signs that talk about Black history and the area that was taken apart here, which is pretty cool. One of them talks about like how there's a few hotels here, and if you were, obviously there wasn't slavery, it was just, this is the maybe 40s or 50s, but there was still segregation. So if you're from other parts of the country, wanted to come to California, this was one location you can come. There was about, I think there was one or two hotels here that catered to Black people, and it's crazy seeing the little magazine they have there. It says like, for if you're coming from Arkansas, we'll walk over there, see if it's still lit up. Anywho, pretty cool. I knew that there was a lot of communities that got taken down to build the 10 freeway, but I didn't know that this specific area was you know, basically ripped apart a community just to build a civic auditorium that's sat empty for, man, I don't know how long now. It's a really nice field though, right across the street from the Santa Monica High School. See, yeah, this is in the 1940s. I wonder if they kept that thing red because maybe the bowling alley landmark is red. Kind of scared to walk my dogs now, man, with the Lady Gaga fiasco. Let me see, I think this is the one I was talking about. Oh, this is one of this building is still here. That's crazy. I don't know where that other one is. Anywho, yes, with the Lady Gaga fiasco, it's been a little bit nerve-wracking with the dogs. And people bring it up too, but hey, are those the type of dogs that they got stuck in with Lady Gaga? I'm like, yeah. Kind of sucks. But what you gonna do? Yes, here it is. Single rooms, double rooms, apartment. If you were African American visiting Santa Monica Beach in the 1900s, there weren't too many places you could visit and stay overnight. Oops. See, this is where I'm at. See, Arkansas Traveler. So that's cool. The hotel that was here, Belmar Hotel, was freaking advertised all over the country. Come to Santa Monica, California. And now they're playing lacrosse.